So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see the profiles whom just viewed your post on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your home page. You can see, you just click on profile icon here and you can see your post available here. Tap on recent or just posted videos so that you can see whom your video has been saw. Now click on it and then click on here 271 views. Tap on it. Here you can see the person's account whom just viewed and lived, whom liked, who comments and everything. It is valid only for 7 days as mentioned in the index here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.